Bootiful Beds, a wildling's guide to great vegetable beds. We all like a nice comfy bed to relax in. Did you know that fruit and vegetables need beds too? They like super soil beds, full of the special things they need to grow our delicious, healthy food. Let's find out more about Bootiful Beds. Straw bale beds. Bales of straw make good vegetable beds, and they are cheap and easy to make. You just put the bales in a sunny place. Make sure they're wet and then cover them with compost. And plant your vegetable seedlings. You'll need straw bales, not hay, some super soil or compost, some seedlings to plant, water to soak the bales with. Hugelkultur beds. Hugelkultur has been used since the times of wisdom in Europe. It uses dead wood to make mounds covered with soil, just like this. The wood and garden rubbish break down or decompose, and the plants use the nutrients to grow. You will need dead wood and garden rubbish, some super soil or compost, grass clippings or manure, some seedlings to grow. No-dig ground beds. When you don't dig up the soil, you protect this special ecosystem, which is perfect for growing food. This method uses cardboard to stop weeds growing and compost or super soil on top. It's quick and easy. No-dig ground beds don't cost a lot to make, and you can start growing food as soon as you make them. You will need lots of cardboard, some super soil or compost, and some seedlings to plant. Raised beds. Raised beds are no-dig as well, but they are up off the ground. You can build frames or boxes with no bottoms from wood or use metal ones too. We use frames made from recycled wood. Lay cardboard in the bottom of your boxes to stop the weeds. Then fill the boxes with super soil or compost. Next, plant your seedlings. You will need some wood and tools to make the boxes, some cardboard, super soil or compost, and some seedlings to plant. You're learning the wildling wisdom of growing food. You're wonderful and you're helping to create a beautiful world. Don't stop now, you're important and brave.